Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create map animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, choose this map image, drag and drop into composition, and right click, go to transform and fit to comp. So in this time let's click toggle switch modes if you not see this part, and click this icon for turn on 3D layers. And now let's create new camera tool, right click, new and camera. Okay, and create 3 null objects for camera movements, right click, new and null. Change name 1. And let's Ctrl D for duplicate, again duplicate. Okay, choose these 3 null objects and turn on 3D layers. Also hold Ctrl, double click pen behind icon for move the anchor point center. Clickation tool and choose camera. Let's link to null object 1, select null object 1, link to null object 2, select null object 2, link to null object 3. And choose this wall texture, drag and drop into composition, and right click, go to transform and fit to comp. Now let's go to toggle switch modes, click mod and choose multiply. Okay, this looks historical and old style map. So press T, change opacity a little bit. Let's change 70. And choose wall. Let's back to toggle switch modes and turn on 3D layer. So in this time, choose this camera and press C for change camera movements. We can control here camera. Let's choose dolly. And zoom to camera like this. Okay, now choose this layer 1, press P and create new position keyframe. And go to 7 seconds and move to right. So let's see. Okay, we have simple move animation, and choose layer 2, press R, open rotation, and go to last keyframe. Let's create Y rotation keyframe and go to back. Let's change rotation like this. Okay, and let's see. Okay, not bad. And choose layer 3, press R. Now let's create X rotation keyframe and move to right. And now go to first second and change like this for add perspective. So in this time let's preview animation. Okay, now we can play some settings here. Go to last keyframes and let's change a little bit to like this, and Y rotation change like this. Let's see. Okay, not bad. And we can change perspective a little bit like this. Also choose this camera, press C and zoom to like this. And also a little bit to left. Okay, and here we can move to like this and move behind and also like this. Okay, so in this time choose this camera 1, open inside and camera options. Enable depth of field and change aperture like this, and blur levels 150, and let's change quality for now quarter, and we can control aperture with focus distance. Okay, now let's create focus distance and aperture. Go to here, change distance. Okay, let's see on full. Let's see. Nice. And go to last keyframe, change focus distance. Let's change quality quarter and change focus distance like this for full screen, and also aperture. Okay, now we can add here blur level 170 and also aperture. Let's play a little bit for like this scene. Okay, that's good. And here also can change aperture like this for focus to this Africa. Nice, I like it. Okay, now let's close all settings and choose these clouds layers and drag and drop into composition. Okay, now let's click this icon for turn on 3D layers. Press S, change scale 10. Okay, now this time choose this cloud 2 and move up here. Press R, change perspective, also here, and move to left. Let's move to up. Okay, and cloud 3, we can move to here and move to up. Okay, let's move to up a little bit. Okay, it is perfect. And cloud 4, let's move to like this, move to left and move to up. Okay, this really looks realistic video. And here choose cloud 5, move to like this, move to up and move to back. Okay, and cloud 6, move to here, move to up. Let's press P, move to up more, and move to down like this. And the last one, cloud 7. Move to here, and press P, move to up. Okay, nice. So we can add here airplane, choose this compensation, drag and drop into compensation, and click this icon for turn on 3D layer, and press S, change scale, let's change quality quarter. Okay, change like this, and press R, change rotation, and press P, let's move to up, and move to here, press S, change scale. Okay, and move to left like this. So in this time, go to here and press P, create new position keyframe. Go to 5 seconds and move to right like this. Okay, that's good. And let's choose this cloud. Ctrl D for duplicate and move to left. Okay, perfect. So in this time, choose this airplane, Ctrl D for duplicate, press P, choose position keyframes, go to here and move to down. Let's see. Okay, I will use this for shadow. Let's zoom to here. Go to Effects, press search, effect, fill. Use fill for airplane composition 2 and change name shadow and color black. And go to Effects, press search, effect Gaussian blur. Use Gaussian blur for shadow and change Gaussian like this. Okay, let's see. Nice. And let's choose this shadow. Let's move to right, a little bit to right like this. Okay, and press T, open opacity, change opacity like this. Nice. So, and finally, let's add light for cinematic looks. Go to layer, new and light. Color I will use like this yellow and light type spot. Click OK and let's open inside light options and change cone angle. Okay, and intensity. Let's see. Nice. Okay, also we can open these transforms and let's try to change transforms little to right. Okay. Also, don't forget to choose airplane and click motion blur and shadow motion blur. Nice. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good day. Good luck.